How to completely remove someone from Asana. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for asana.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, we'll have to go on the left part of the screen, and then in here we'll have to go on this team option. Under that, we'll have to tap on this My Workspace, and then in here you will now see this Members option. What we need to do is to tap on this View All option, and then after that, it will show you all the members that you have on your account. So in here, if you want to remove someone, all you need to do is to hover your cursor on the account that you want to remove. After that, we'll have to tap on these three dots, and then in here, we'll have to tap on this remove option. And then after that, to completely remove the account, all you need to do is to tap on this remove option. And as you can see here, that account is automatically removed from my Asana account. So that's how easy we can completely remove someone from Asana. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.